We are on our way, our 4th trip to Lancaster. This is our 3rd annual summer trip to Lancaster. 4th of July, late night for the kids means they are zonked out hard, and we're gonna have a nice drive. Woo woo! Dutch Wonderland, Cherrycrest Farm, Lancaster, here we come! We made it to Lancaster, and we are waiting for Katie's Kitchen up there. It's a half-hour wait, but it's authentic Amish cooking. We're at Katie's Kitchen, and these desserts are amazing. Amazing. Like, what is that? Oh my gosh. Looks like some kind of apple pie thing. Oh, and the whoopie pies, everything homemade. So cool back here. Oh, and the homemade peanut butter spread. Peanut butter, caro syrup, marshmallow cream. Oh my gosh. We're here at the Railroad Museum of Pennsylvania. There's the fam. Right across the road from Strasburg Railroad train that you can ride, which we did in our 2017 trip. Check that YouTube video. But first, here we go into the Railroad Museum. Who's ready? Floor is lava in 5, 4, 3. No, Emmy. Down. Ooh. Nice and cool in here. Oh my gosh, it's like 95 outside. Museum store. Slowly. Ooh. A little train. So the guy said there's a bridge that overlooks 100,000 square feet of sugary, crunchy, iron-rich trains. Oh, here we go, guys. Dun dun dun. Let's go. Oh, jeez. Are you okay? Ready? Come here.
Silly just got hurt.
Oh my gosh! Look! Whoa! Guys! Kenzo! How neat! Look over here! What? Wow! Real trains! So old and cool! There's a Pennsylvania Railroad like in Monopoly!
These actually work. Were real.
Real trains? I think so. Oh my goodness, then we can go downstairs and see them all. And there's a little station.
Little town.
The whole little town. Wow, once you get down on the floor, these things are massive. They look so tiny from above, don't they? No.
What kind of medium?
Medium? That's pretty big, Kenzo. You're teeny tiny. Ooh, the brake off, brake on. Fast, throttle, slow, alerter. What's that?
What is going on? How do we do this?
I don't know. Brake on, brake off. Oi.
Reset. Can we do a reset?
Ooh. Track speed, 25 miles per hour. Are we going? No. Ooh, look at all the windows came on. Like. Smell it? No, you smell it first and then you figure out what it is. Let's see. Oh, you're right. She's good. And now don't read it. What is it? Try again.
I know.
What?
It's your favorite food cereal.
Cereal? It says oranges. Here is a cool car with a bed. A bunk bed, no less. This is the snowplow in action. Like, what? That is so neato. The Strasburg snowplow, and here is it's been reconstructed. Here. Almost looks like a bullet train or a boat.
Mommy, I found something really cool.
Yeah? Look at that. What? Okay. Ooh, a virtual tour. Is that in the snowplow? Oh, wow. Look at that. Wow. Can you even imagine? Do you know what goes in there, buddy?
It's cold.
The coal? This is the engine. Get some coal, Kenza. Get some coal.
Here's another shovel if you want it.
Put it in the... Oh, here we go. We're going faster. I can feel it. What? You can see under the train. The undercarriage. What's it gonna look like? Dun, dun, dun. Whoa. Interesting. Oh, the ash pan. Oh, what's this? The equalizing springs. Oh, the brake shoes. Ah. Wow. Very interesting perspective, huh, guys? Adorable, this little main street they've created next to all the trains and stuff with these fake people. Oh, that's not a fake person. Who are you? Will you come with me and give me a tour? Trying to get the apples? Come here, Mia. Let's see all the stores. Look. What's this? Lodge number 1? I don't know what that is. What's this? A hotel and bar? Ooh, some drinking going on in there. Photography studio. And what's this one? Some kind of... Oh, it's a home. Oh, hey, tea party. A little U.S. mail. And what's this? The Stewart Junction. Wow. Ooh, more model trains and stuff. Mommy found the kids area. Are you ready, Emmy? Ooh. So cool. Here. Look at this old town. Oh, and kids trains here. Ooh. Happy, happy. Oh.
And then I'm gonna silver them gold, right?
What else is here? More model trains. And whoa, my gosh. What is this? Is this Legos? Whoa! Massive! Oh, on the train on the top? Wow! Are you making something?
Yeah.
Some Lego station here, right by the Lego World. Lots to do in this back corner. One final huge model train in the back. This place is a must for anyone even mildly interested in trains. Like me. I'm fascinated. This place is so cool. Oh, look at our little dolls. So, what are you pushing? What are you moving? The trolley is moving when you push that button. And how about the next button? What about this one? This is the turntable over there. Spin it. Oh, the turntable. And what's this? The carousel? Push that. Yeah, you moving the... So interactive back here. Lots of fun for the kids. That's the Ferris wheel. It goes very slow. Are you guys racing? Yeah. Who's winning? Mia. Mia's winning. Mia's winning. Oh, floor is lava, guys. Uh-oh. Floor is lava. Floor is lava, Emmy. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ah. Is it gonna go? It's gonna go? that 2 years ago. So fun. We found this great playground at the Strasburg Railroad across from the train museum. Uh-oh, where are you going, buddy?
Come on, let's go. I'm gonna go get
Wow.
Reach for the sky.
Come on, let's go. Down the
So fun. Nice playground.